Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ without PS Plus, updated. Start by creating a free PlayStation account and set your console to offline mode, then launch DayZ and choose solo or LAN play. If you want friends to join, use a local router and invite them via your local network. This method keeps things simple, avoids subscriptions, and helps you enjoy DayZ gameplay at home with minimal fuss and clear steps. To get multiplayer without PS Plus, try hosting a LAN session from one console on your local network and have friends join the same router. Alternatively, use remote play on a PC with the host account running the game, then share the session with friends nearby. Make sure NAT settings are friendly and test connections before long sessions. These tricks can be reliable for casual play and let you enjoy DayZ together without extra subscription costs. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: Droplet stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which is perfect for long DayZ play sessions and fits in most cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into problems, first check NAT type and open the recommended ports on your router to improve connectivity. Ensure both host and joining consoles run the same DayZ version to avoid mismatch errors, and update the game when prompted. For persistent lag, restart your router and consoles and verify your local network speed. These simple troubleshooting steps often resolve common issues and keep your sessions smooth and less frustrating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.